Hi, today we're talking about summer camp registration form. So, if participants are looking to register for a summer camp, then this particular Notion form will help you out. So, as you can see in this form, we have got certain fields for the participants who can fill in all the details, like their numbers and other contact details and other information. So, once the user fills in all the details and clicks on submit, the responses will be captured under the responses view, and you can view the particular response obtained from the user. How exactly will it work? Go to the form builder, click on share form, click on copy form link, and provide this link to the particular user who is registering for the summer camp. And once the user navigates to the particular form, then they will be able to fill out the form details from their own end. So I'm going to quickly fill in some random details over here just to showcase how exactly it will work. So as you can see, I'm filling in the details over here, and I'm going to complete filling all the details, and then we will see how the form details are captured in the end. So as you can see, I have filled in all the details from start to the end in this form, and then I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, you will be able to see the particular form response has been submitted. And now if you go to the summer camp responses view, you will be able to see the response being captured over here. So this is how you can quickly utilize this particular registration form, and you can even customize all the fields as per your needs and requirement, and everything will work precisely the way you want it. So once the user fills in all the records and clicks on submit, the response will get captured on the responses view, and then you can see all the details. Besides this, I also want to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. This is a tool which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk. It takes help of a Google document as a form of a template file where you can edit and modify the particular template. And then it requires a Google Sheet or a Notion database which acts as a source of data which can be used to replace the Google document with its information, and then you can generate the PDF documents in bulk. I've added a video of how this is possible for the invoicing. So you can watch this video to understand how invoices are generated in bulk using the exact workflow that I just described. So make sure you check out PDF output for this. And you can reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I will be able to help you out with any queries or any requirements that you might have. Thank you. Have a great day.